Hi, welcome to Casa.
This is gorgeous. Look at that chandelier.
I'm so glad I can show you this. Okay, so welcome to Casa. This one is over 9,000 square feet. Look at the staircase.
Yeah.
And we have bedrooms downstairs. We have bedroom suites here. We have bedrooms tucked over there. And there's just so much to see. So let's start with this one. All right, so this is the great room. We have a gas fireplace. We have custom shelving. You have all this space to chill out.
It's beautiful.
And then we have the wet bar here. Here we have this beautiful granite. And then here, and then you have two thermidor ovens here. You have all this space.
The fridge like this, I love that. And the cabinets.
Okay, and then this is a huge pantry closet for the overflow. And then wait till you see the dining room. The chandelier and the tray ceiling here. And then this home has so many French doors. It just goes out to the pool, it goes out to the courtyard, it goes out to fountains. I love these drapes. This home even has an aquarium.
Stop. That is so cool.
So this is the formal part of the home. This is the formal living room. And then look how high the ceilings are. And if you look over here, you can see the balcony. Bedroom for, let's say, a nanny, or it could be a little guest suite. And if you notice that most of the bedrooms all have French doors. And they either have a balcony or they go out to a beautiful courtyard. Look how beautiful that is out there.
Wow.
I love all the light, the windows and the lighting.
So let's go over here. Check out the ceiling. It's a dome ceiling, and you want to go there? Check out the ceiling. How gorgeous is this? And then this is the powder room. Look at the gold accents. Go ahead and look inside. It's upstairs bedroom. And then look at this. They carry the ceiling just like the hallway to there.
Another bathroom.
More French doors.
This is a full bathroom. Closet.
Oh, and you're the
Oh
one.
yeah, that's gotta be from the lake. It's a full bathroom. So there's 7 bedrooms and 8.5 baths. And that's the sauna.
Ooh, I love how it smells. Ooh, this is massive.
Isn't that cool? And you heat it up there. Here's the toilet area. Okay, so then down here, this is another 2-car garage here, okay? And then you have the laundry room and the washer and dryer. So this is a nice landing here. There's a gas fireplace.
Another mural.
This is a guest bedroom here. So closet here, beautiful bathroom here. And then the bedrooms have balconies with French doors.
Like a little Romeo and Juliet balcony.
So look at that, that's your view when you wake up. See? Look at that.
Bananas.
So this would be the sitting room. You have a couch here, TV here, and then you have all the bathroom doors here. You have your bed there, and you wake up to this every morning. Okay, now let's go see the primary bathroom. So you got a bed, you got a toilet. This is a steam shower.
Oh, nice. Very nice. No bench.
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna screw you guys, but you go up there. Well, we have to do this on here. And you want popcorn, and you want to make some tea. You have your own kitchen up in your primary.
Every primary needs that.
Yeah.
Wow.
You have the gas fireplace here, and then you have the marble tub. You have the shower. You have the dressing area.
You gotta be a star.
Gorgeous. And then you go down here, and you have this mirror.
Same room.
And then she has all this stuff. But look what somebody has who worked out their own. This is like the perfect study. This is a full bath, full closet. The view is phenomenal.
By a balcony.
So this is considered another bedroom, okay? So that's why there's 7 bedrooms and 8.5 baths. And then, Crystal, you could go right down there to the pool. Oh, right here. It's by the staircase. Yeah. Okay, so you see how high you are, right? We're gonna go even higher. So if somebody had a bad day, they can come straight up here into this primary suite.
Living here, you're not gonna have a bathroom.
Probably not.
Ta-da! A rooftop. You're at the highest point now. And you got the view. This one is Adam's farm.